energetic. She's strong too for a little one.
She is strong. Her neck's doing really good.
Carol said she's been doing that since she came home.
Mm-hmm.
Holding her head up. Oh, Nick and Shiloh had theirs night before last.
I'm gonna go see it.
Now wait a minute. What happened to the chocolate that you had on her face?
She was going like this and got it all over everything.
Oh.
I'll try to get some more.
She was born on 11/11.
Uh-huh. He.
Oh, it's a boy.
Oops.
I'll see you at the deposition. I'll try not to spank your lawyer as hard as I spanked him last night.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, don't get it on her thing.
I'll tell Lindsay to quit bouncing her.
She bounces herself.
Hit him again, baby. After spreading half a tube of what I thought was burn ointment on my bed.
Hold on, don't.
I can't help it. She does it.
Smells like body soap.
How can I help you?
Remember how I thought Mr. Peterson's back pain was sacroiliac and you said it wasn't? But I was right.
She's looking like, okay, where is it? Oh yeah, she's happy now.
That's good, huh? You like?
She wants to prove it wasn't a fluke.
She's gonna give her a sugar rush.
I'm done. See, I'm done.
Of course, around here, everyone's looking to prove themselves.
Got a little bit on here.
Uh-oh.
Jeez. She's good.
Oh my God. Did you see her jump? Scared her crap out of her. She still looks scared.
Huh? Was that a bad one?
Yeah, look at her looking at you still. You scared the crap out of her.
Now she's going again.
Here, try to give her some of this now to wash it down.
Okay. Want some milk? Huh?
She's not going to drink it sitting up. Gotta lay her down.
Alright.
What kind of a babysitter are you? You gotta tip it all the way up so it's all the
I
way up.
know what she said.
I'm surprised she's even taking a bottle.
Because she's washing that chocolate.